It's a real disappointment many of you don't know the existence of these most trending apps. If you believe you're among these guys, just give me attention during this video and you won't regret. But before that, so is my beard now visible?
Boy, if you don't.
Anyways, yo folks, it's Blaze Wati and you're my channel Tech Pauses. I know you're anxiously waiting for the applications to render your phones smarter this 2020. But before that, I would like to give you guys a little intro because I'm a newbie on the platform and I really hope to go very far with this shit because I really love it to have passion for it. I'll be doing tech reviews, tech comedy, reaction videos, question and answer videos. I don't really have a lot of ideas, but I believe you guys will help me with such by DMing me on Facebook, Instagram. By the end of this month, I'll be hoping to reach 1K subscribers, but is that not possible? The only thing here is for you guys to like the videos, make sure you comment and subscribe and turn on all your bell notifications such that you won't miss any of these pranks and comedies I'll be giving you guys. So let's get into the video.
The first of these epic applications is Music Wallet by Crossbeats. It's a free Android application which works with no use of internet. No ads pop up when you're using it, and it has a simple GUI as you can see. Switch from one platform to another with no stress. Moreover, it also categorizes your songs depending on the most played songs, the most recently added songs, and more. Isn't that cool? What I enjoy most about this application is that it has a very cool equalizer for a bass music player application. Just look at the wonders you could do by editing how your music plays depending on the earphones or blue headsets or any other media output devices you may have. Really nice. As we progress on through this application, we will notice that this application also offers you the opportunity of editing its interface depending on your preference for the theme. That is the light theme, as you can see. There's a dark theme, and there's also the black armor theme. That's my best black armor theme. That's what I use on my phone. And also, the app also gives you the opportunity to back up your songs. Like if you want to change phone, well, without losing any of your songs, you could back up all your songs into your account, and that's it for this application. So folks, if you take a fierce look at the gridded picture, you notice the better one of the two is the one on the left. All of this is thanks to the app called Adobe Photoshop Express. This is the most trending and the best photo editing tool right now for your smartphones. It has a whole ton of filters from charm to white balance, black and white, portrait, with different varieties under their different respectives. There's a whole ton of them out there. The best of them is Gleam. I think Gleam actually brings out the beauty in the picture. Just look at, for example, what's happening right now on my phone. Just look at the guy now. You can't compare the picture at first with what's happening now. Moreover, you can also blend effects with this editing tool. You can also change the aspect ratio, corrections, and you can remove what's interesting also is that you remove the watermarks. No need for watermarks on the picture. You can also remove the person's red eyes. The person possesses red eyes. You could add text to add more meaning to the picture. Like for example, I'm adding here strong and fierce to show how imposing the man is with his child. And you can also add stickers you love to flowers to the picture, and all sorts of different editing parameters. So this is same as you could add borders and remove borders depending on how you want the picture to be. The many editing tools will make that so many compared to the other Lightrooms and other applications. I think Photoshop should be the best for you guys, most in this period of quarantine. As you're at home right now, just taking pictures and editing them and posting on social media, this should be the app for you. Download it. No more questions like, could you help me with the title of the song you're listening to? Jeez, those are stuff which ended in the 90s, man. Nowadays, you just use Shazam, you click and it gives you the title of the song like you saw before. It gives the lyrics of the song and the details of the song, its ranking in the world, the video of the song on YouTube, its link if you wish to watch the video of the song, and more. Simple GUI, as you could see, also gives you a see also of similar songs which are referred to it. We can also notice Shazam gives the most listened songs to the world. So if you don't want to miss on the most trending songs on the planet, just download Shazam and it gives you what you're looking for. It also gives depending on the countries. So pretty cool app, isn't it? Medium, this is the best blogging platform. I assure you, just download this application. This one goes for most those who love reading stories, writing stories, blogging, publishing interesting articles and stories online. This should be your platform. This should be your application. Download it free. Just internet and it's okay. There's so many topics. Just depend on what you love. From fiction to films, music, sports, industry, tech, biotech, business, marketing. Just download it and read their stories. They are really enriching and could help you start up something in life, something which you won't regret after some years. Just use this application. It's the best. It has a very cool theme, black and green, simple to use. It's free. You just have to have just to have your internet and it's okay with the application. Same as on the platform, you can also follow some editors, you could follow writers, and if you're a good editor as well, they could follow you back. And obviously after some time you could get paid for the enriching stories you give others to write. So just keep on with this application. Same as you have a daily read of particular topics you always love to read about, and they will constantly send these enriching stories direct to your email. So no need to always open the application. Just go to your email box and the stories will be there waiting for you. 6 Habits for Super Learners, the best I've read so far. I advise you guys to download this application and read the stories. They're very good and enriching.
Last but not the least of these applications is Cyberflix, a free Android application, the rating of 4.2 on Google Play Store. It's very affordable, has a very good GUI, and it's a perfect replicate for Netflix. That's for those who are not able to pay the monthly subscription Netflix offers.
Damn!
It's a perfect application for you guys to use. The only problem Cyberflix has is that you must use a VPN to be able to stream the movies online. So you could buy one or you could use one from a friend.
This application is an online media search engine and browser, and it uses internet normally like Google. What I like about this application is it categorizes your movies depending on what you're looking for. Maybe the movies could fall under wrestling, or maybe the most recently added movies in different cinemas in the trailer of the movie you want to watch. Just click on the play button and they'll give you a list of different movies depending on the video quality of which you can play the movie and watch. That's it for this simple app.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and to subscribe to get more of such fascinating videos, and also to leave in the comment section what apps you're using in regard to this and the different problems you may have encountered or which are not fascinating concerning these applications. See ya.